Hip-hop artist Lection has worked with the likes of Double HP, DJ Dimples, Monotone, Sean Pages. Today we found out more about who he is, what makes him tick, and his latest single. So join us in a few minutes as we sit and chat to this hitmaker.
We do it right. And we're gonna do it right, nigga. Now listen. Hey, yo, Lungelo. I've been doing this since day one, right? I'm gonna call this day two.
So Lection, thank you so much for joining us. So can you tell me a bit about who Lection is? What are you all about?
Lection is a producer, a performer, and a composer. And I think once in a while a choreographer. Born in Korastimbe, grew up in Maftown, so that's a little bit about just a young Lection. That's when you think Lection, I think just think along those lines. A composer, a performer, a rap artist.
So where would people know Lection from?
In terms of music, I would say most know the name from the track, the gimmick that I did for Versace, the Basadi joint. And then after the Basadi joint, it was They Know. And before those two tracks, there's a track that I did. I sampled Marvin Gaye, Let's Get It On, and used to get a proper love from radio stations. So Let's Get It On, Basadi, They Know. Right now I would say the Go-Go song that I did with DJ Cleo, and Bua that I did with Questa and Morale, Wadi Jaja that I did with Sean Pages.
So people say you sound like Double HP. So before I even ask if you are flattered by that or whatever, so just give us a line or two, and we can hear how you sound, and I'll probably be the judge of that. Is that cool with you?
Let's try that. Let's try that. Let's try that. Well, I gotta make it big money le makijimane di wingana tshwere tsipinyana le machinkilane. You gotta love it when abane with the silimane le mina di makijimane go tibitsa di same. So you tell me.
So tell me about your song with Double HP, the tribute to Flaba.
Well, actually, that's Double HP's song. It just so happens that day we went to Flaba's memorial, go baseline, and then he said, "Hey man, guess what? I'm shooting a video for that tribute song." And I was like, "Hey, I'm tagging with." And then just I think we took like 2 shots, and then we're just walking on the streets of Alex. And the cameraman was doing his thing, and then before you know it, he just put filtered there. They just graded it, and the video came out. And I was walking behind Jeva, so a lot of people think it's our collaboration. I was with him when he shot the video, because we spent a lot of time together, just talking about things in general. And then it just so happens on that day he was shooting a video, and I did a young walk behind him. Chabu my keep there in the car.
Okay, so in terms of outreach programs, giving back to the community, as a hip-hop cat, are you involved in any, and can you tell us a bit about some of those?
Hip hop has evolved. So with it evolving, we're talking fashion, we're talking lifestyle of our peers, or even those younger than us. So I realized I was performing at a random place, and I realized, and I saw a kid rocking the same outfit. Well, not the same outfit, but he tried to get something close to what I was rocking. So then I was like, listen, we have the power to influence lifestyle. Look at him, he's trying to look like me. So let's try to channel it proper. Let's do an official campaign where we go into high schools, try to guide them, and give them a little bit about career guidance, educate yourself. Wisdom is power, knowledge is power. But for now, we just give them a pen and we say, use this pen as a sword. This is a symbol. This should be something that reminds you that you can do it.
So before I met you, I saw a few pictures of you, right? And you look so much younger in person. How old are you?
I'm 28. Yeah, I'm 28. Avocado, mahapu. Don't drink, don't smoke. Don't party too much. Those are the things that I don't do, man. So yeah, man. Yeah. No, I'm kidding, man. I don't know. I think I'm just lucky, or maybe it's too much H2O because I love water. Yeah. Shout out to H2O.
And Monotone. Yes. Tell me about that. Are you guys working together? What's up with that?
I've known Mono for a little, and then we've always spoken about doing a song together. Like it doesn't like we never really thought of something as serious as a project like more album or whatever. We just thought, hey man, we spend a lot of time together, we joke around, we always in the studio. Let's just do a song.
Are you beefing with the Summers?
Well, I'm not beefing with the people behind the Summers. I'm just, I just feel like, I think when I started, I just wanted to rap and tell my story in a nice beat. And that's all I ever wanted. I just wanted to see myself on stages and just entertaining people. So the awards, I feel like awards is kind of like, it's a cherry on top. It's like, nice work, we are watching. I think that's what awards mean to me.
Lection is 28, a hip-hop artist and an artist. Outside of that, who are you?
I think I eat, sleep, drink music, man. Like, I don't think I'm anything else but music. So, but then, for inspiration, I love traveling. I don't mind just traveling, like just getting in a car. I don't even know where I'm going. Just follow the signs. As long as we're going to get accommodation,
There was a whole lot of drama with the whole road statue. If it was up to you, in terms of they said hashtag roads must fall, what would you say hashtag must fall to?
Hashtag down with xenophobia. Yes. Can I have another hashtag? Yeah, hashtag down with piracy. Hashtag up with local content. By that I mean everything, all the genres. Hashtag down with praising international acts. Let me rather say hashtag Viva Mzansi music. Yeah.
They know. They call me Mr. Basadi Basadi. Basadi Batuda feel like a Versace. Drop it, them haters. They chasing my paper. Be aiming for greater. You call me your slayer. You running your mouth like an